Hello folks, this is Murtuza Abbas here. In this video I'll be showing you a simple plan, okay, that you can use to stretch your income, to take your income to $100,000 per year. Okay, that's approximately six-figure income, and I'll be giving you a simple plan that you can use, a simple numbers that you can actually shoot to take your online business to the next level. And in this video I'll be showing you how to do this, and it is easy once you understand the psychology behind making six-figure income on the internet. Okay, and so let's get started. Okay, to shoot your income goal to $100,000 per year, okay, what you have to do is you have to have two things in place. Okay, the first is you should be having a $37 product, okay, in your niche, and the second thing you should have is a $1,000 per year coaching package, okay, coaching program. Okay, these are the two things you must have in place. Okay, and the next thing, the next component you must have is you must have at least 500 leads coming into your website every month. Okay, 500 leads. Okay, and 500 leads. If you have a squeeze page that is converting at approximately 30%, okay, so 33%, okay, so approximately you have to target 1500 visitors to your website. Okay, so 1500 visitors will get converted into 500 leads on your squeeze page if you have a conversion rate of 33% on your squeeze page. Okay, so so I'll repeat once again. You must have you must have 1500 visitors to your website, a squeeze page that converts at 33%. So you will get 500 leads out of 1500 visitors. The next component you must have is a $37 product. Okay, and the next component you must have is a coaching program, a $1,000 per year coaching program. Okay, these are the components you must have before you go about setting up your online business. When you have all this in place, okay, here's how it works. Okay, so let's say you have 1500 visitors to your website at 33% squeeze page conversion. You are converting you're converting them into 500 leads. Okay, now I am averaging, if you're building a proper tight bond and relationship with your subscribers, around 20% of them should purchase your front end $37 product. Okay, 20% of your leads should purchase your $37 product. So if that's the case, okay, so what we'll expect is approximately 100 people. Okay, I have my Calci on, so I'm just calculating the average. Approximately 100 people will purchase your $37 product. That is approximately $3,700. Okay, profits that will come in. Now when you have 100 people purchasing your $37 product, you will take these 100 clients into a different autoresponder, sales funnel, and out of them approximately 10% of them will get converted into your $1,000 coaching program. Okay, so that is approximately $10,000 worth of revenue. Okay, so if you combine $3,700 as well as $10,000, okay, so that is approximately you will be averaging $13,700 of revenue. Okay, so what is exactly happening is that out of 500 leads, you are making approximately 20% sales of $37 product. Okay, so that is approximately 100 sales of $37 product, that is going to $33,700, and out of 100 clients you are converting 10% of them into coaching clients. Okay, that is a $10,000 another income. So that when you add both of them up, it is approximately $13,700 of revenue per month. Okay, and to be on the conservative side, okay, if you multiply this by 12, you are touching an income of $164,400. Okay, so that is the income you'll be touching, and we are shooting a goal of $100,000. So you can easily estimate that among this $164,000 which is coming on average, you will be having some expenses to drive traffic to your website for your autoresponder, hosting and everything. So on an average you will be reaching your $100,000 yearly income goal. Okay, so it's a simple process. This is an example I'm showing you with a small sales funnel. So if you go on expanding this sales funnel and you get and you know create multiple products, okay, so your revenue keeps increasing. So therefore I recommend you that you create a coaching program, because the bulk of your revenue will come from your coaching program, okay, and your front end low ticket product will help you to just break even your advertising costs. So make sure you get started, and I hope this video has given you an overview of how you can create a six-figure system income online. So make sure you apply the strategy and test everything, and take your online business to that level. Okay, so I have created make sure you visit my website at www.howistart.internetbusiness.com/plan, and I have created a simple 23-step blueprint right there that I have personally used to create one of my websites that has made me approximately over $20,000. It has got me 6,000 leads and around 23,000 visitors. I'll be giving you the complete plan, the blueprint that I have personally used, so that you can use it on your website and get started today. And I'll also be giving you a set of videos, around 25 videos, as well as a process map that will show you completely how I did it and how you can do it too. Okay, so make sure you subscribe at my website at www.howistart internet internet business business.com/plan, and I'll see you right there. I wish you all the very best and success.